Hey, you seem thoughtful.
Yeah, thinking a lot today.
About what exactly?
My future and progress.
That sounds important.
It feels important too.
Do you feel confused?
A little confused, yes.
What is bothering you?
I feel slow in learning.
Learning what exactly?
English and communication skills.
You are improving, though.
It does not feel enough.
Progress feels slow sometimes.
Yes, very slow sometimes.
Do you practice daily?
Not every single day.
That might be the reason.
I lose consistency often.
Consistency is very important.
I know, but it's hard.
Why does it feel hard?
I wait for motivation.
That can be tricky.
Motivation comes and goes.
Exactly. It is not stable.
So what should I do?
Focus on small habits.
Small habits again?
Yes, always small habits.
Give me a simple example.
Speak for 5 minutes daily.
That feels manageable.
That is the goal.
What should I say?
Talk about your day.
Like simple sentences?
Yes, very simple sentences.
I feel shy sometimes.
That is normal feeling.
I worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you grow.
I try to remember that.
You are doing well already.
I do not feel confident.
Confidence grows with action.
Action again.
Yes, always action first.
I think too much.
That creates pressure.
Yes, too much pressure.
Then reduce the pressure.
How can I do that?
Make things very easy.
Very easy tasks?
Yes, almost too easy.
That sounds interesting.
Try one sentence only.
Just one sentence?
Yes, just one sentence.
That feels simple.
Simple keeps you consistent.
I like that idea.
Do you want to try now?
Yes, I will try.
Take your time.
Today was a long day.
That was clear.
I worked many hours.
Very natural speaking.
I feel less nervous.
Because you started.
Yes, starting helped me.
Add one more sentence.
I felt tired today.
That sounds good.
This feels easier now.
That is progress.
Small progress, but real.
Small progress matters most.
I feel proud now.
You should feel proud.
I usually ignore progress.
Do not ignore it.
It builds confidence, right?
Yes, slowly and strongly.
I want strong confidence.
Then stay consistent,
Even on bad days?
especially on bad days.
That sounds difficult.
Keep it very small.
Like one sentence again?
Yes, just one sentence.
That is manageable.
It keeps your habit alive.
I understand that now.
Also, listen every day.
Simple conversations?
Yes, beginner level ones.
That improves listening.
And improve speaking too.
Both skills together.
Exactly.
I feel calmer now.
That is a good sign.
Talking helps a lot.
It always helps.
We should talk daily.
Yes, short daily talks.
That will improve us.
Both of us.
I like that idea.
Let us make a plan.
What kind of plan?
Simple daily routine.
Morning or evening?
Maybe morning time.
Morning feels fresh.
Yes, fresh energy helps.
What should we include?
Speaking and listening both.
How many minutes?
Just 10 minutes total.
That sounds easy.
Easy plans work better.
I agree with that.
We keep it simple.
No pressure, just practice.
Exactly.
I feel motivated now.
Use this moment wisely.
Yes, I will start today.
That is a strong step.
I feel ready now.
What will you do first?
I will start speaking first.
That is a great choice.
I will keep it simple.
Simple is always better.
I will say one sentence.
Good. Start slowly.
Today, I feel more calm.
That sounds very clear.
I feel less pressure now.
That is real progress.
I want to continue this.
Then stay consistent daily.
Even if I feel tired,
Yes, keep it very short.
maybe just 1 minute.
Even 1 minute works.
That feels very easy.
Easy habits stay longer.
I understand that now.
Now add one more sentence.
I want to improve daily.
That is a strong sentence.
I feel more confident now.
Confidence is growing slowly.
I can feel that change.
That is very important.
I used to doubt myself.
Now you trust yourself more.
Yes, a little more.
That will grow with time.
I will keep practicing daily.
That is the key habit.
What about listening practice?
Listen to simple dialogues.
Like this conversation?
Yes, just like this.
That feels comfortable.
Comfort builds confidence.
I like that idea.
Also, repeat what you hear.
Repeat out loud?
Yes, speak with your voice.
That helps pronunciation?
Yes, and fluency too.
I will try that.
Try it every day.
I will stay consistent.
That will change everything.
I feel hopeful now.
Hope is very important.
And action is important too.
Action is always first.
I understand clearly now.
Say your full plan.
I will speak daily.
How many minutes?
At least 5 minutes.
That is perfect.
I will listen daily.
Good balance again.
I will repeat sentences.
That builds strong habit.
I will not skip days.
Even on hard days.
Yes, even on hard days.
That mindset is powerful.
I feel stronger inside.
That is real growth.
I am proud of myself.
You should be proud.
This feels like a start.
It is a new start.
I will not overthink now.
Just take small action.
Yes, small daily action.
That will build your future.
I believe that now.
Belief changes everything.
Thank you for helping me.
You helped yourself today.
Maybe both are true.
Yes, we worked together.
This feels really good.
Learning can feel good.
We should keep going.
Yes, every single day.
Same time tomorrow?
Yes, same time tomorrow.
I will be ready.
I will be here.
This is our new habit.
Yes, strong daily habit.
I am excited now.
That is a great sign.
Let us keep moving forward.